Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Deadlift Drop item in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox new gym update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The gym update has been dropped in Plants vs. Brainrots. And before I show you how the Deadlift Drop item works, I'm going to show you how you can get the item guys. You can get the item from this gym event. You can submit your brain rot and then you will get this deadlift drop item as the reward from giving your brain rot. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can use it. Well, let me go to my garden. Okay, and basically it's like grenade. So you can put it on the brain rot and then the brain rot will be weaker. Wait, I'm going to search for the deadlift drop. Okay, it's like this guys. It can cause damage and it can make the brain rots weak. Okay, it's cool. And yeah, okay guys, that's how you can use the deadlift drop item in Plants vs. Brain Dots game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.